Welcome to Jignasa Student Study Project on the topic Matrix and its application, Departments of Mathematics. Myself, I am Shravanti, BSc MPCS final year. My team members are Archana, Anusha, Rakesh and Soyab Malik. Under the guidance, Supriya Madam, Department of Mathematics, a statement of the problem hypothesis. Matrix theory are used to solving simultaneous, homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. Matrix are used to encode and also decode every very sensitive information. Here we apply matrix to solve a linear system of equations of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to b1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equals to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to d3. By using row reduction method, and we solve the linear system of equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equals to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to 0. Matrix is a Latin word. The origin of the matrices lies in the study of system of simultaneous linear equations in between 300 BC and AD 200. The first known example of use of matrix methods to solve simultaneous equations was taken. This fact is written in 9 chapters of mathematical art in Chinese text. An arrangement of numbers in rows and columns is defined as a matrix. We arrange simultaneous equations in matrix, solve them. Carl Friedrich Gauss discovered the method of finding simultaneous equations. It is known as Gauss elimination method. Around 4000 years ago, the people of Bayern knew how to solve a power 2 into 2 system of linear equation into two unknowns. Around the 200 BC, a power 3 into 3 system of equations was solved. In 17th century, the method of finding simultaneous equations was known by using matrix.
Review of literature. Matrix. Matrix is the arrangement of real or complex number is a row and columns. Order of matrix. If a matrix contains m rows and n columns, the order of the matrix is m by n. Regular matrix. If the number of the row is not equal to the number of columns of the matrix in a matrix, then it is a regular matrix. Number of the rows of the matrix is equal to the number of columns of the matrix, then that is matrix is defined as square matrix. Row matrix. If a matrix contains only the row, that matrix is called as row matrix. Column matrix. If a matrix contains only columns, then that matrix is called column matrix. Zero matrix. If all elements of the matrix are zero, then that matrix is called zero matrix. Transpose matrix. In a given matrix, we can change rows in columns and columns into rows. That obtained matrix is called the transpose of given matrix. If A is given matrix, then transpose of matrix A is defined as A by A square T. Symmetric matrix. If a square matrix and A power of A is equal to A, then transpose matrix. In a given matrix, we can change rows in a columns and columns into rows. Transpose update. Transport matrix. In a given matrix, we can change rows in a columns and columns into rows. That obtained matrix is called transport of given matrix. If A is given matrix, then transpose of matrix A is defined A transpose by T. Transpose matrix. In a given matrix, we can change rows in a columns and columns into its rows. That obtained matrix is called transport of given matrix. If A is given matrix, then transpose of matrix.
Findings. Application of matrix. Matrices have many applications in diverse fields of science, commerce and social science.
Computer programs. Matrices are used in computer programs, uploads, cryptography, economics, chemistry, zoology, robotics and animations, wireless communications and signal processing, finance sciences, computer graphics.
In video gaming industry, matrices are used major mathematical tool to construct and manipulate realistic animation of a polygonal figure. Computer graphics software uses matrix to process linear transformation to translate images. For this purpose, square matrices are very easily represent linear transformation. Of object matrices are used to project three-dimensional images into two-dimensional names and objects. To study about the theory of matrix and its application in real life. To know the application of matrix in economics, cryptography, wireless communication, computer graphics and engineering. To solve system of linear equation by using matrix. Conclusion. Matrix were used initially for solving system of equations, but matrix are very useful in science, technology and social science. Matrices are very useful in computer graphics, cryptography, wireless communication, engineering, Department of Mathematics. On the topic matrices and its application. Thank you for giving this opportunity.